Divine Collective, Spirit is saying that your path was protected long before this battle even began, okay? Psalms 91 is of significance. Psalms 91. Someone is now realizing that they want a second chance here with you, Divine Collective. Their energy feels very withdrawn, Divine Collective. They're very withdrawn. As you're receiving spiritual inheritance here. Gifts that others mishandled are now being given to you, Divine Collective. Nice. Congratulations. I heard God's rejection is God's protection. So what I'm getting so far is that someone you created boundaries with and walked away from in order to heal, Divine Collective. Okay, you did this for you. They now want a second chance with you. But again, this rejection was God's protection in your life, Divine Collective. Whoever this is, they mishandled you. Okay? And whoever's come up against you, if they've had spiritual gifts, those gifts have been taken from them and they've been given to you. Again, you're receiving spiritual inheritance here. Gifts that others mishandled. This energy that is now realizing that they want a second chance with you, Divine Collective, they feel entitled to what they did, okay? They feel entitled to what they did. And this is funny, not funny, but wild that this comes out because I was actually just thinking about this, right? I was going back to before, when I was unawakened and the things that I was doing, but yet I felt like, no harm, no foul, right? But now that I look back and I'm awakened, high vibrational, Divine Collective, I absolutely see that the decisions I was making and what I was doing, there was absolutely something wrong. So in a way, I guess I felt entitled in that lower vibrational state. We make excuses as to why what we're doing or the choices that we're making, we tend to make excuses as to why it's okay. Okay, but that again, you're speaking through you're thinking through a more lower vibrational energy, Divine Collective. So when I say that, I do realize like this person is awakening. I feel like they felt entitled to what they did. Okay, but they're starting to see that this is not working. Something's not working for this person, Divine Collective. They're awakening. Okay, so what it is that they're starting to feel something, Divine Collective. That's what I'm getting out of this. I don't feel like they feel this way now. I feel like they felt this way when they were doing it, Divine Collective, okay? I'm getting 888 here, abundance and karma in this reading, 888. There's been watchers assigned to you because you're not a regular human, Divine Collective. You're on a special mission here. There's been watchers assigned to you, Spirit is telling me. Someone's words may seem sweet, but they're untrue. Okay. Someone is trying to send sickness and disease to the Empress. Okay. They don't want you to be able to transmute this. That is what I hear Spirit saying. The Empress is here. I'm hearing, Divine Collective, that you are no longer operating from the same frequency that once tolerated deception. I'm getting a brain injury. So someone... Ooh, my throat chakra is closing, Divine Collective. Someone does not want this to come out. Someone is sending sickness and disease to the Empress. However, I'm getting brain injury. They don't want this Empress to be able to transmute this. And then I got brain injury. Something to do with the brain, Divine Collective. This is their plan? Psalms 91. Remember, Divine Collective, that your path was protected long before this battle even began. Okay, never allow these readings to instill any type of fear into you. They're not meant for that, Divine Collective. The more you awaken, the more you grow, the more you heal, the more your spirit will settle when you're listening to these readings, even if they're not for you, Divine Collective. So again, do not let fear, creep in when I'm saying these things, because you're protected. You've always been protected. What's yours can't be taken, Divine Collective, okay? Someone is saying that they still have feelings for you here. What's this about? And that they want to go in the right direction. That's the feeling that I'm getting, Divine Collective. If it was anything other than that, like manipulation, I'd be able to pick up on it. But someone wants to go in the right direction. I honestly feel, Divine Collective, they no longer feel entitled to what they did. They're starting to feel remorse here. They're starting to awaken. However, that's not an invite back into, you know, your home or your door, however you want to look at it, okay? That is not what that is. This person needs to heal and grow up. California is of significance. Spirit said that Albert Einstein once said, imagination is everything. It is the preview of life's coming attractions. That is from Albert Einstein. I heard karma came to play. When it pertains to whoever this is who built some type of foundation on lies, Divine Collective, karma came to play today is what I'm hearing. Some people are born in families where their role is not to fit in, but to awaken and leave the pattern behind. Confirmation, I do feel like you've helped someone awaken. But you have to continue to move forward here. Divine Collective, this person missed their opportunity with you. However, they are awakening. All right? Again, some people are born in families where their role is not to fit in, but to awaken and leave the pattern behind. I'm picking up on a lawsuit, a plaintiff, the person initiating a lawsuit here. You may be initiating a lawsuit on someone, Divine Collective. Okay? You're on the right track, Spirit says. You're on the right track. Puppet Masters, a lawsuit, control through fear. Confirmation, I was just speaking of this, Divine Collective, okay? Puppet Masters. So you have watchers here assigned to you because of your mission, Divine Collective. You're famous. What? Who are you? Who is this? Illegal approach, repeat offender. Someone's going to try and approach you here after they've been told not to. This is a repeat offender, Divine Collective. You will soon enter a state of prosperity and will revel in happiness. 8:57 on the clock. Spirit says, I heard a corn dog. What? Who eats corn dogs here? Anywho, someone has been caught red-handed here, Divine Collective. The truth is out. You don't have to say a word. Let it play out, Spirit says. 9:17 on the clock. Embezzlement, misappropriating entrusted assets, a lawsuit. I feel like you're going to be suing someone here, Divine Collective, for stealing from you. Embezzlement is of significance. They stole some type of asset here, money from you. Gluttony, pride, greed, lust, sloth, wrath. Okay? Wow, Spirit said they wanted your energetic signature, your legacy. You're someone who's famous in the spiritual realm, Divine Collective. You have watchers watching over you here because of your mission. Someone wants